Okay, Rupert, would you like to play a get the baby out of the get this cookie out of the squirrel house game? All right, we start with a cookie, which goes into a bag like this. Then the bag gets sealed. Then we take the squirrel house and put the cookie into the squirrel house. And then we get all the babies. Here's a little baby. Let's see, what is that? A pug baby. And a leopard baby. And a squirrel and a dog and a cat. Put all the babies in the squirrel house. And let's see. Oh, there's another one. Who's this one? Hold on now, Rupert. I'm not ready for you yet. All right, let's see. Oh, there's another baby. That's a little dog baby. German Shepherd, I think. Is that a German Shepherd, Rupert? What do you think? Okay, now I'm going to take the squirrel house. Oh, calm down now, Rupert. Don't jump the gun. And I put the squirrel house inside the box. Rupert, you're just wild to get this out, aren't you? Then I fold all the edges in. Like that. And ready, Rupert? Now you're going to get the squirrel house out of the box with the cookies on the inside. Alright, make short shrift of that. Getting it out, Rupert? Did you find a cookie in there? Oh, he looks like he pulled out one of the babies. Two babies. Three babies, and we got the squirrel out. Oh, what happened? Oh, there it is. Now he found the cookie. Still in the bag, though. Yay, Rupert! Oh, is that a fun game, Rupert? Yeah, that's a fun game.